Born from motorsports, engineered for the fearless. This is the Porsche 911 991 GT2 RS. A masterpiece of power and precision. This isn't just a car, it's the pinnacle of performance. Rear-wheel drive, twin-turbocharged, every detail meticulously crafted to push the limits of possibility. With 700 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 2.7 seconds, the GT2 RS is the most powerful 911 ever created. Every drive is a visceral experience. Every corner, a thrill. This is not for the faint of heart. Precision engineered for the track and beyond. Years of relentless engineering, tested to perfection, proven by groundbreaking lap times. Road Atlanta in 2019. It set a production car lap record with a time of 1 minute and 24.88 seconds. Road America in 2019. It achieved another record of 2 minutes and 15.17 seconds. And again at Canadian Tire Motorsport Park in 2019, it recorded a lap time of 1 minute and 22.36 seconds, a new record. The Nürburgring Nordschleife is considered the ultimate circuit in the world to set a lap record, the most challenging and diverse racing circuit ever built globally. September 2017. The GT2 RS achieved a lap time of 6 minutes and 47.3 seconds, becoming the fastest road-approved sports car on this track at that time. Most manufacturers, including Ferrari, Lamborghini and McLaren, validate their cars here. Porsche's record-breaking 911 models set a standard for competitors, reinforcing Porsche's place as a leader in performance engineering. The 911 GT2 RS in 2024 is still the best GT car to ever be made. Porsche has not built a 992 generation so far, with 911 production for the Gen 1 coming to an end. The release of a new version will come in the second generation of the 992. Test mules have been seen and Car Spy Media released this footage. Speculators are questioning the technology this car will take. Will it be hybrid? What I know is that Andreas Pruminger, director of the GT line at Porsche, is keeping his cards close to his chest, and we might see the best GT2 RS ever in 2026. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next.